Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Gejala ba Preston Tensong ulai thu ba kenhun Menteri kan shim ya garai ha bai dei ba jing bu teng shwa ban penlong ya election shagayeng dorbar Garo Hills Autonomous District Council abakran chigilat pathai khubor ha sining kong ba Tensong ulong ba jelang jong kenhun Menteri kan salong shen hakini kindiat sri ndawan phai Menteri Rangba na rilom Garo nagbanta banyak keren halor kene gamat abakali shapang kejing ong ke BJP kabadai ke perlok jaga sarkar MDA balik kerpat yulat bensimti ya kejing sensyar haji HDC usembut Menteri Rangba ula ong bagi sarkar MDA ru kan sepa syaulat ya garai jaga kenhun menteri kabadai bat ke HDC bun ai kejing menjur
Few days we have. So, what is the mood of the government?
See, we will again have a cabinet very soon. And CM right now he's on tour to Garo Hills. He'll be back maybe after 3 days. Then the cabinet will be held. And then I'll come back to you. What is the decision taken by the government?
Most likely it will be extended for a few months.
Still, I can't say anything. Be patient. So as I said to you, but cabinet has to decide, has to sit down immediately.
So why I'm asking this question, your partner, the BJP, it has clearly stated that if the government cannot hold election within this month, they will go to the governor and ask the governor to take over GHADC.
Yeah. What are you saying?
The BJP, your partner,
Yes.
said that if elections cannot be held this month, they will go to the governor asking him to take over GHADC.
Okay, we also will go to the governor only. Okay, we will also go to governor. Whatever decision to be taken by the cabinet, then we will send it to the governor. Then governor has to ultimately give his approval or his consent. Then accordingly we will communicate to the list council. We are still working out, as I said to you. So hopefully, as I said to you, within maybe next few days we will have the cabinet, and then we'll take a final call on the election of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council.
So has the government also reviewed on the present situation, COVID situation in the state? We have seen for the past 2-3 days there was like this spike of COVID cases.
We see Saturday also we had a meeting. Again today we have a review meeting. Then tomorrow I will meet you all. I will meet you all at 3 o'clock here in Yojana. We will discuss everything. I will let you know everything tomorrow. Okay? Because the spike is still alarming, as I said to you, very discouraging. So I would request all the citizens of the state to kindly take care of themselves individually, including all the press people. You have to take care of yourself. Don't be so close to each other.
So, but the government is opening activities, many activities. So, how do the government, plan to, at the same time, ensure like people don't get infected, and at the same time, like the economy also will run?
Okay, tomorrow we will sit down. I will tell you everything tomorrow. We'll sit down tomorrow, maybe 1.5 hours. I don't mind.
So,
okay, please be patient.
So the BJP has taken totally a U-turn from their earlier threat of pulling out from the coalition. What do you think of this?
I'm not aware. What are you saying?
The BJP had earlier threatened to pull out of the coalition.
Okay, and now what did they say?
Now they are saying they have never said so. They were talking about.
Okay, you ask from them. It is not for me to reply on that. But you please kindly ask from them why you took a U-turn. Okay.
So, since there's a spike in COVID cases, is the government planning to impose lockdown?
See, the question of lockdown does not arise. As I said, I keep saying this. From the government side, what we are requesting people is, please take care of yourself individually. Because the fight of coronavirus is not through the government alone, but you have to fight individually. If you want to be safe, you need to also play safe and stay safe. I think that is the best medicine for every one of us.
So the number of cases keep on rising as we had stated. Now, whether it is difficult for the government to do a contract tracing of people, because we have 423, 200
Yes,
plus
yes.
every day. Is it difficult for government to do the contact tracing?
No. In fact, still contact tracing is being done. We are handling the situation well. But the only problem, as I said to you, if those high-risk contact, where we call it high-risk contact, sometimes what happened, the moment we identify it, we ask them, you please come for testing, this, that, and then after that you isolate yourself, because right now the best medicine is you need to isolate in your respective houses, because that is very important to every citizen of the state. Because see, if you isolate yourself like in corona care centers or in quarantine centers, it will ultimately affect your mindset also. See, mentally you get disturbed. When you're staying alone, all alone in a small room, it's just like a jail. So therefore, the protocol from the Ministry of Health says that we encourage home quarantine. We encourage people to stay at home, but stay yourself isolated. That is important. And now, see, the ICMR has already changed even the protocols. Protocols now is only 10 days. And once you completed 10 days means the virus is dying by itself. So regarding all this issue, I will discuss with you tomorrow, as I said to you, at 3 o'clock.
That means the positive also will be quarantining at home.
Sorry?
The positive-
Yeah, both high risk and even the positive cases. The ICMR has encouraged people to stay at home. Okay, both positive and high risk.
So will you take Rambash norms into confidence, because Rambash norms have a lot of apprehension when it comes to keeping positive patients at home?
Yeah, no, that we will again sit down with the respective Rambashno. We have already asked all the respective deputy commissioners to be in touch with the Sanjuk ki no Sansharsno and talk with them. You need to discuss with them and then hear your views. And then we consider their views too. Because see, ultimately we have to go for the best option. Which is the best option? Government along with the stakeholders. We are together.